Okay people, hello and welcome. Today I want to actually show you kind of a funny story that was starting out like a disaster and ended up pretty well actually. So I had one of my GPU die on me a couple of days ago, and I was just pulling it out of the rig and let it stay for a few days, and then today I had the time to look at it, and yeah, it was completely dead, as you will see in the video later. But yeah, I tried baking it, and let's see how that went. Yeah, okay people, so today I'm going to try fix this graphic card on some strange way I saw on the internet. I'm not quite sure if it will work, but the card, as you can see, it's dead. Nothing. Fans not spinning. Don't have the LED lights on it. So I probably think it's like some voltage controller or something that's broke on the card. But still, I'm going to try bake it in the oven, because it will make the solder to melt a little, so it's kind of, if it's a bad connection somewhere, it should be okay again. As I said, I wouldn't try this on a card if it's not already dead. So let's get to it then. So the first thing I need to do is take off the housing on the card and the back plate and heat sinks, and make sure there's nothing like stickers or anything on the PCB, because they will burn up. So okay, so I got all the thermal paste almost, I think, maybe some left on the edge there, off the card, and took off, I think it was one sticker over here. I took that off. Yeah, and the rest is just a clean card actually. So I'm going to prepare this now to put it in in 200 degrees in my oven and see if it helps. As I said, I'm not sure about this. This is probably one of the stupidest thing I've done, but but I was thinking, why the hell, I can make a fun video out of it. So I see you back in the kitchen actually. Okay, so the next thing to do now is just get it in the oven, I think. And just put it in there, 200 degrees. So I just have to wait. Put it on, I think it was 8 minutes. So 8 minutes. Look at it baking in there. This is actually scary. Okay, so it's been in there for a few minutes now, and it seems fine. So this was dirty. Yeah, so soon finish. Okay, it's finished now, and it's smoking hot GPU. It smells like shit. So I'm not sure if this was a good idea at all. Probably not. Just want to see if it cools down now, and we put it together and see what's happening. Okay guys, this didn't work really well. I think I baked it too long, because you see, I have some spare parts now. And okay, as at least the soldering part is correct, because as you can see, I have few parts coming off the card, and this ones actually seem like blow up, and the same with the other ones. You can maybe see it, they popped out. So probably think this card is completely dead now, but I may try change this out, this for, I don't know, resistors or what you call them, but yeah, so and we'll see if we can get this working again. So I was actually able to soldering everything back together, but I don't have high hopes for this card now. So yeah, put it together and test and see. Okay, so I put the card together and put everything in the rig again. So it's kind of here goes nothing. Yeah, as I would think, nothing. It's completely dead. Probably I just made it worse, but yeah, it was worth a try. Okay, so graphic card story goes like this. I started with baking the card, probably not the smartest thing I'd done, but it ended with two of these drivers going off and one of these capacitors, or what you call it in English, was falling off, so I had to solder them back on. I have like an old soldering iron, and not good one, but yeah, I managed to get them on even if they are kind of not in line. But so the next thing I did was trying to measure the card in all the ways I could think of. This one is for the, I think it's for the driver that goes to the GPU, and the other one is for this one is for the memory controller. So I found out when, because you can see, we have these small fuses over here. There we have them, two fuses. Both these two fuses, I had 12 volts on them. The next thing I checked was this fuse, and it did not have 12 volt, and it was it was shorted out. So I started measuring the other components on the card, and I soon found out that the shortage was in one of these capacitors. Or yeah, in English I don't remember what it is called. It was two of them over here. As you can see, I took them away because I think they are only like for protection or something, but yeah, if it works without them, I don't care, as long as the card is hashing. And yeah, so I took those two away because they was shorted out, and I didn't had a new fuse to solder in, so I just soldered on yeah, a piece of cable, as you can see, to like bypass it. Of course, it's not the ideal thing to do because yeah, if something goes wrong now, I don't have a fuse. But yeah, as I said, this card was already like gone for me, so yeah, let's test it now and see if it's working. We put it back in the test bench, and we have to feed it with some power. Let me just see. This wasn't too easy with one hand. But if we use this one. We put that in there. As you remember, the fans was not spinning, nothing. I didn't get a picture or anything on this card. So now I turn it on and we'll see. Now the GPU is getting hot, and voila, we got a picture. So I think I fixed this card actually, but I turn it off again because of, yeah, so because we have no cooling on it now. So thanks for watching. Of course I should made a more in-depth video about how I did it, but I wasn't actually thinking about that I was managing to fix it anyway, so I didn't think about filming it. But now I can put the card together and I can probably make it work again. So okay, as you can see, the card is put together now. Fans are spinning, the lights are showing. I got a picture on the screen, so I think actually this card is healthy now. I'm not sure how long it will work. Maybe I got no guarantees for it, how long it will work, but I think it's kind of funny. I actually started out making this video about, yeah, we just bake it and see what's happening, and that didn't work out, but yeah, it's working now. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. I really enjoyed it. It was fun to make this actually, because yeah, it turned out completely different than I would imagine from the beginning. So just to take a quick look at my miner, you see the card is still hashing away. It's been hashing now for an hour, maybe two. So and I will, yeah, hope it will stay that way forever. So even if I kind of killed it a few times, but yeah, as I say, smash the like button if you like this kind of content, and leave a comment down below. You probably have something to say about this crazy thing, but I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. See ya!